If you have a product or if you have a business that sells a service and you're trying to go into different locations, like maybe the other cities around you or other states or even all around the world, other countries, then the question is, how do I go about that? You know, do I have to hire like this multi-million-dollar marketing agency, or you know, someone that gives me this crazy campaign that goes around the world and I have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars in emails and marketing media, etc. No, you don't need to do that. I mean, of course, if you need some help, then you know, reach out to your local marketing department or marketing company. And but I'm going to teach you some ways that you can easily do it so that you can go and gain more markets in other cities and locations. So the best way to do it is through your website, your Google My Business or Google Maps, and also through social media. So the first one, your website, is if you don't have a website, then you should immediately start working on getting a website, because that's the first step and it's the most important. So once you have a website, or if you have one, then first on your homepage, which is the most important part, you need to start working on something. So generally I would say is do it in another copy of your site so it doesn't mess up your site that's live right now. But start working on the development version, maybe with someone that can help you or you yourself. Is create a copy of everything that's on the website now, except cater to that location. So what are the services if they're different? What is the about if it's different? If there are different prices, etc. And once you're done with that, then go ahead and put it into the real site, the live site. And perhaps what I do is on the homepage show, this is the homepage, this is location A, this is location B, this is location C. And once you click on that, then it takes you to that place and it tells you the specific things. There's a company that is a perfect example, is ParadiseFootspot.com. If you go there to ParadiseFootspot.com, which I recommend, they have 2 locations in Jupiter and they have a location in Tampa. So if you go to their homepage, you'll see bam, bam, 2 locations. And when you click on there, you see specific things about that location and the other, which is perfect because then you can know, oh, okay, so this is for Jupiter, this is for Tampa. Then the second part is through Google My Business. So say you're like in Florida, like me, and you want to go to New York and sell things there, then what the best way to do it is to send a postcard there. And the best way to do it is to get a friend that lives there. So try to find a friend and be like, hey, you know, if it's okay, I want to send the Google postcard. You can hide their address once they get the postcard. So you don't need to show their address. You can be like, don't worry about it. People aren't going to come to your house or call you. It's not even going to show up. I'm going to delete it once I get this validator. You can keep doing this over and over for all these locations, all these countries. You just need a contact. So, and then maybe later on he can work with you, whatever, etc. And then the third thing to do is all your social media. So the social media part is a little bit more time consuming, but it's alright. Just make all the same accounts that you have for your original business, make the same accounts for this location specifically. So like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, anything that you have, just, you know, the same thing. Just create it, put your information, and voila. And then I would add is once you have all those things ready, don't you know, just do nothing. you gotta tell people about it. So I would recommend doing a great Facebook ad, put it on Google AdWords, you know, everywhere that you could be like, this is gonna be the new location. We're gonna officially put everything at this moment in time. And then have people go to it, click on it, you know, like us from right now while we're not open yet. And then once that time comes, you just like push it all to them. And then voila, you have another location where people are going to and know about it. And you can just keep doing this and keep doing this and recreate this until you're spread all around the map and even other countries. So there you have it. I hope that these 4 tips helped you and you'll be on your way to give your product or your service all around the world. So what's the next location for you? Where do you want to go from now? If you're selling a product or service, what's your next goal to get to? I would love to know if you have a goal in mind for a location that you've never gone to. And don't forget to click on the link below if you want to become an ace marketer. We have a free ebook that you can click. It is completely free and you can learn all these things about how to make your marketing more advanced, to, you know, just give you all the tips that you need so you can get out there. So I'll see you on the next video. Ciao, ciao.